So we just got back from Italy with our 4-year-old. We hit up the Amalfi Coast and Tuscany. Here's what actually worked and what didn't when traveling with a little one. So follow us on this trip. The video isn't too long, just 5 minutes tops, but I guarantee you, it'll give you ideas and it'll make your trip to Italy well worth it. Once you get to the Amalfi Coast, remember it's a long, winding road. You'll hit beautiful towns, but it's really hard on the little ones. If you're not sure about driving, don't. Just take a bus. There's plenty of them. Don't look at Airbnbs. Look at bed and breakfasts on booking.com or hit up agriturismos. They're everywhere. Now make sure you hit at the beaches early in the morning. You won't have people until later. It's gonna get crowded after lunch. When you're done, head back into town and get yourself some gelato. It's a little expensive, but it's worth it. Remember, everything in southern Italy is gonna be expensive right now. A little thing I had to learn along the way is the drone. You have to register it, or you're not gonna be able to fly it. I stress, register your drone.
Thank you so much.
You should also consider taking a day trip to Naples. The food there was amazing, probably the best we had this whole trip. Yes, the streets are pretty bad. Tons of graffiti and bad smells, but the food is incredible. We took the little one to the oldest toy store in Naples. You gotta do it, especially if you have a little one. You should also try the fried pizza. Naples is famous for it. Just so you know, there's a weird obsession with all things Maradona. I really have no idea why. And remember, just wander around the city, enjoy the sights, and don't talk to the scammers, no matter how nice they are. Take that into consideration. And lastly, if you're a big fan of Eat, Pray, Love, get your pizza at Pizzeria de Michel. Super famous, fantastic pizza, well worth the trip. We enjoyed some time with the little one. We hit the beaches, we strolled around. Conveniently, we went in May, and the weather was fantastic. It wasn't too hot. We also tried to go off the beaten path. We went up to Aguirola in the mountains of Amalfi. It was really cool. Make sure you take a day trip out to Capri. Pack some decent clothing, because Capri town is something completely unexpected. Don't make the mistake I did. I went shirtless on a hike through downtown. So inappropriate. It was pretty weird, but oh well. You only live once. After Amalfi, we went to Tuscany, where we had lots of red wine, white wine, and a whole bunch of meat and pasta. Our agriturismo was in a small town near Castello de San Marzano, in some of the outlet malls. A little convenient. It was a very beautiful place, abandoned for a long time, and tons of history behind it. In addition, you get to see some of the majestic redwoods there. Now, as far as Florence, the food is amazing. The sandwiches, the deli meats, the cheeses were spectacular. Also, don't forget the art. Art galleries galore. The Uffizi, dell'Accademia, it just boggles your mind how incredibly talented these people were back in the day. Honestly, I wish they were here today, so make sure you do go to Galleria dell'Accademia, because there you're going to get to see the David. It's impressive, absolutely astonishing. You also have to make your way up to the Duomo. It's incredible, the views at the top are amazing. We also hit up some of the perfume stores and decided to go with Profumir Firenze. And the lady helping us there, Lucia, she was spectacular. She was so sweet and so helpful. She loved Nikolai and gave him sweets. We decided to go on a day trip to the Leaning Tower of Pisa. And we got the silly pics. Word of caution, little ones under the age of 7 can't go to the top. And well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed our Italy trip. It was fantastic, well worth it. We hope you enjoyed it. Laters, peace, and bye.